Hey guys, and welcome back to another JH Law video. Today we will be discussing warranties versus indemnities. So when we're trying to decide which warranties and which indemnities to include in a sale and purchase agreement, this can be one of the most involved and heavily negotiated aspects of a proposed sale and purchase. So naturally, vendors would want to limit what warranties and indemnities that they give out, and the purchaser on the other hand will try to maximize what they get. A warranty is a contractual statement of fact about a company, its business, at a particular date and time. If the statement is found to be untrue, the purchaser can seek contractual damages from the vendor. If the purchaser is successful in their claim, the vendor pays a sum to essentially put the purchaser back into its original position. The vendor could say things like, oh, the purchaser, they already knew, we already disclosed this to them earlier. Or they could say, oh, but the purchaser should have done certain things to prevent the breach of this warranty. It's actually partly their fault. So warranty claims can come with a bit of argument, hence why we often see indemnity clauses attached to warranty provisions. So that leads us on to what is an indemnity. Now, an indemnity is a specific promise of compensation. If we use the example of, let's say, a purchaser, so at the time of entering into the agreement, the vendor had disclosed to the purchaser, and the purchaser became aware of an employment dispute. So even though the vendor might have disclosed this dispute to the purchaser may still seek a further indemnity to be covered for any costs or losses suffered by it or the business when the employee dispute is resolved at a later date. So that's a good clear example of how an indemnity can be used. In terms of what warranties you can include in a sale and purchase agreement, well, there is a ton, ranging from financial statement warranties, tax warranties, employee, IP, IT, environmental even, and I have included a link to my full written blog on my website that lays out a greater variety of example warranties for you to check out if you wish. And lastly, I thought it would be just helpful to mention the rise of W&I insurance policies. So warranty and indemnity insurance policies, they aren't always for everyone. Not everyone needs it. However, it does appear to be increasingly used by transaction sizes both small and great. Thanks for watching, guys, and feel free to reach out to me, Janie at jhlaw.nz, and let's start the conversation about your proposed sale and purchase and how warranties and indemnities can suit your particular conveyance. No one conveyance is ever the same.